Hey, what's up guys? This is Aditya and you're watching Smeared Pages. This video's topic is how to make notes that you'll actually make use of. But before we get started, let's get some things cleared. Number 1, you do not need expensive stationery. Number 2, your notes don't have to be gorgeous. Number 3, if you don't seem to enjoy making notes, try changing the way you make them, but do not give up easily. Now that we have that cleared, let's get to the tips. Tip number 1, know what to include in your notes. You obviously cannot put everything the textbook has to say. Note taking involves segregating important points from lesser ones. If you're new, start by making your notes centered towards key points that best explain the topic to you. After you've got that, highlight or underline important points so it catches your attention when you review it later. Tip number 2, keep it simple. Do not complicate your notes. The only reason we don't prefer using textbooks is the complexity of the way the information is presented and the language used. Note taking is pointless if you copy exactly how the textbook says it. Alter the information in a better, more personalized way of presentation which will help you understand it deeply and also remember it longer in the process of making notes. Tip number 3, visualize. It's important to express concepts in forms of diagrams or graphical representation of information because most of us are innate visual learners, that is to say, we learn faster and better through drawings or illustrations of concepts. You don't need to be an artist to illustrate concepts, just doodle down clear images of concepts. A mind map is a good choice for subjects like biology or physics where linking of concepts is important. Tip number 4, include questions. After you have summarized important concepts from a textbook, add a section to your notes where you question yourself about important conclusions or the entire concept as a whole. Remember to keep these questions short and precise. Whenever you review your notes, have a quick glance at them and try to answer the questions without referring to the notes itself. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, hit the like button and perhaps even consider subscribing for future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.